Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. Today I'm back again with another video of Starry AI. From our previous videos we've taught you how to download and install your app from App Store or from the APK, which is for all the Android users. And today I'm here to teach you how to delete your account from the Starry AI. I hope you all have installed your Starry AI on your mobile phone and made a profile on it. And now I'm going to teach you how to delete your account from Starry AI. First of all, you need to open your Starry AI on your mobile phone. And on the left side of your screen, you can see a small circle picture. You have to click on that. And then you need to scroll down the page. And on the bottom side of your left screen, you can see a small icon where it says delete your account. You need to click on that.
For more
and
updates,
your account will be
visit our YouTube
successfully
channel and
deleted.
subscribe.